Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma physics channel. I'm going to tell you integration is the reverse of differentiation. How? On the basis of this, not how I've told already, on the basis of this, see dv upon dt is equal to acceleration A. dv upon dt is equal to acceleration. dv upon dt is equal to acceleration A, correct? Now what I do is, I use this ds dt, I multiply and divide kind of, okay? So see, if I write ds here, it makes no difference. ds upon dt is what? V dv upon ds is equal to A. So V dv is equal to A ds. Now students, the formula integration of x to n dx, lower limit, upper limit, this is x to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c तो नहीं आएगा because lower limit है, upper limit है, correct? So it becomes v square, v to power, if we take integration both sides, v dv A ds. When distance is 0, velocity is u. When distance is s, velocity is v. So this is v to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, u to v. A ds is s to 0. So this is v square upon 2, u to v, a s 0 to s. So upper limit minus lower limit, v square minus u square upon 2, a s minus 0. So this is v square minus u square equal to 2as. So this is the equation of motion derivation using the concept of integral calculus. So dear students, it is not a rocket science, it's very simple. Unnecessarily students get worried about that it is very difficult. It's not difficult, थोड़ा मतलब maths, मतलब इसका एक तरह का थोड़ा higher level maths को हम use कर रहे हैं एकदम से, तो that is basically अब 10th के बाद सीधा आते हैं 11th में और इसको हम directly use कर रहे हैं, तो उस एंगल से थोड़ा टीजिंग होता है ऑफ कोर्स, बट मैंने शॉर्ट वीडियो डाले हैं, तो आप इसको रिवाइज करते जाना, डाउट हो तो मुझसे आप पूछ सकते हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.